Right, Cointreau.
Action.
Hi everyone. Today is going to be a strawberry tequila martini. You're going to love this. Muddle, strawberries and tequila, 3 ounces of tequila. Muddle with strawberries. Half an ounce of oh no!
Cointreau?
Cointreau, right, Cointreau. I'm looking for the lime, it's not done.
Yeah, you can squeeze it. It's a half a lime.
Where's the squeezer?
Hey.
Okay, we're going to squeeze a half a lime. Shake with ice.
You put Cointreau in?
Yeah, I put Cointreau in.
Oh, love it.
Double strain. Salt rim glass. Shot. Oh no!
You can't say that. You're gonna have to do music.
I'm gonna have to do music. Yeah, right.
You can't say that.
I'm gonna have to. You don't have.
Okay, we've done a minute and 10
Okay,
seconds.
don't worry about it. Okay. Cheers.